Yo guys, look at this, guys, look at this, gang, look at this, gang. Remember this trade, guys. Look at the profit as we speak, guys. The TP1 already hit. So right now, right now, what I did, I just decided to shift all the stop loss for the trade that I took in the previous. Look, I started from here. I shifted the stop loss to this point right here. Now I decide to shift the stop loss around this area right here. So guys, look, as we speak, gold is moving more and more and more and more. So as the gold keeps on moving, I will keep on shifting my stop loss as well. So this is how I keep gold a lot, you know. So right now I would just expect more pullback, maybe around this area right here, something like that. And as soon as I get some pullback, then I'm gonna shift my stop loss just like that. You feel me? Once I get another pullback around this area, I'm gonna shift all the stop loss that you see from here. I'm gonna shift them to this area right here. But currently, you can see that the gold is breaking the previous level, the previous high, which was this one. You feel me? Which was this one. This was the previous high. Now you can see that it's breaking it. So right now we expect to go very high. It's just gonna keep on doing something that you can, as you see right here, it's been giving some pullbacks and breaking them, and pullbacks and breaking the previous highs. So we're expecting now we're expecting to kill this high and continue more highs. You feel me? This is how I do it, guys. Okay, the gold, you know what I'm saying? I'm giving you all my secrets for free. You feel me? Don't miss my free Telegram channel, guys, and don't miss my private group, because we making money right now. No cap, you feel me? This is what we're doing right now in a private group. So make sure DM me on Telegram, JUBA. I wanna join your private group, and we start killing this market together, guys. You know how we do. Peace out, man. So guys, as you can see that I already took the trade, which is DCHF. But so far, guys, as we speak, I'm gonna take my profit from gold, because I've been swinging gold for a very long time. So right now I just want to take my profit, if I say, because this is enough, guys. This is enough. So I'm gonna close one by one just to get out of the trade, because yeah, man, just to get out of the trade, you see. And then I'll be waiting for the new opportunity from gold. Guys, gold is moving high and high lows. So as soon as we get another high low, then we're gonna get in the trade. All right, so I'll be only swinging this one, which is DCHF. I'll be swinging this one, and I'll be looking for more opportunities, guys, from gold. Yeah, as soon as we get another confirmation which is gonna allow us to enter the market, then we're gonna enter. If I'm saying, as you can see here, so at least maybe as soon as the market is gonna push back, maybe around this area right here, then we might get in for a buy, because you can see that gold is moving high and high lows, high and high lows. Look at this. So beautiful, So as soon as we get maybe around this area right here, we're gonna move in for a buy. We're gonna get in back for a buy. Yes, sir. Keep watching. Hey gang, I'm back again, guys. As you can see, guys, we're killing in a DCHF. As I said, guys, we're killing in a DCHF. So you know how we do, guys, with the team. So as you can see, guys, gold, now we got pullback. You know what I'm saying? We got pullback, which means it's time to get in for another opportunity. As I said, guys, gold is moving in this kind of, you know, let me first take my trades before gold go highs. You know, I'm gonna take my opportunity now, guys. I already give the signal to my team. I already give the signal to my people. Make sure you join my free Telegram group. And if you wanna join my my free Telegram community, please send me a message so that you can be able to make this money together. So now, as you can see, I already take 5 of my positions, and you can see that we're running in SDCHF. So you know how we do, guys. Look at this, beautiful. Look at this, beautiful, guys. So I'm gonna put my stop loss. You feel me? I'm gonna put my stop loss right now. Hey, watch the money, guys. Watch the money in. Watch the money, guys. I'm killing gold all day, all time, every minute, because you know it's all about, once you understand the moves, how the market moves, of course you're gonna be making money, no cap. So I'm gonna put my stop loss at this point right here, 27 27 27 27 27 27.33. Okay, that's my stop loss that I'm gonna use in this case. Follow me? Yes sir. You can see I already put a stop loss. My take profit is going to be at this point right here. This is gonna be my first take profit. You feel me? So yeah, guys, I'll come back later on, guys, to show you how the market went. Let me first go to my team, and I'll be busy with my people, you feel me, on our VIP group, just to let them know what to do. You feel me? Yes sir. See you on the next 30 minutes. See you on the next 30 minutes, guys. I'll come and show you what we did from this trade. Peace out. Yes, gang. Yeah. Gang, we're back again, gang. Look at this. This is a gold, gang. This is a gold. Look at this. Look at the move. You feel me? Look at the move, guys. So, guys, as we speak, you can see that as we speak, guys, you can see that the TP1 hit. TP1, guys, it's about to get hit. Look, TP1 is about to get hit. But as I said, guys, gold is getting expensive and expensive and expensive. So it's gonna hit the TP1. I'm gonna get out, and then I'm gonna wait for the pullback, and then I will enter again. Feel me? So if you're missing this kind of opportunities, please let me see you on the free Telegram channel. Send me a message. Yo, Juba, wanna join your premium group? Let's make this money, baby. Let's make this money. Let's make this money. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know what to say, but the word can explain everything to you. As we speak, since morning, my premium VIP group, I mean, they are doing great job. Like, I'm not gonna lie for it. I'm not gonna lie. They are doing great job. So yeah, man, that's the result from gold. If I want to say today, yeah, I've been killing gold in and out, 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 and we do this every day. We do this all the time. You feel me? Yes, sir. Look at the work. Look at the work. Look at the work. We're killing everything, man. Like, we're killing everything. And guys, as I said, look at how gold moves. You know, it just moves easy. High lows, high. All you need to understand is when is the high low is going to end at. And after you find the key of when the pullback is going to end at, then you enter with the low high, and then you make money with the high. Easy. You feel me? Easy like this. So, you know, I don't know what to say, but we're making money, man. Yeah, let me see you on the free Telegram channel, man. Let's make this man together, man. I'm proud of you. I know you're the best. I know you can do this too. You feel me? I'm not special than you. The difference between me and you is that I sacrifice myself in the chart to have all this information which I'm giving to you for free. You can do the same too if you're willing to listen to me. And yeah, man, peace out.